In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select all of your data here in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone and your Android. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to select all of your data, here's how to do it. So selecting all of your data would be a task, especially when you're trying to just select everything on your spreadsheet. You'll have to select it like so, then move it to the right. There you have it. Now I am almost done. There you go. I've selected my entire data. Now, what if there's more and I need to select that as well? So what I want to do here is to actually just format everything at the same time. And I'm going to do that by just selecting all. So how do we select all here in the Google Sheets app? What you're going to do is to just tap on this corner right here. There you have it. Just before our first column in our first row, we have this empty box right here that if you tap on that, there you have it. You have selected the entire spreadsheet. So you have from the 1000 row to column Z. Everything is selected. So that would be easier if you are trying to do that. And let's say I'm just going to format this, put everything in bold, then increase the size, change the font style to this one right here, and there you have it. So formatting all those data has been easier now that I've selected everything, and there you have it. So again, to select everything on your spreadsheet or to select your entire spreadsheet, just zoom in, make sure you're tapping the right cell or the right box, and that's the box before your first column and your first row. Tap on it, and you have selected your entire spreadsheet. And there you have it. That's how to select all here in the Google Sheets app, both on the iPhone and the Android. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.